start out with bread and with schmaltz. This is lard mixed with onions and salt. And there's a special way to eat it. And Paulus will show you how that works. Got everybody paying good attention? The first step is to mix the lard and the salt together with the wooden stick. They didn't have a knife, so you mix it with a stick, and then you put your thumb in the lard and smear it on the bread. Alright, but for hygienic reasons, you need to make sure that your thumb is clean after you smear it on the bread.
Enjoy it.